Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good luck to all of us. Introduce. My name is Ananda Fikardo, usually called Edo. As usual on this sunny day and this sunny weather, we are still in the protection of Allah. We are still given the blessings of health by Allah. We are still given happiness, pleasure, and blessings of sustenance by Allah. Until now and now, I am still given the opportunity to convey and provide important information to all of you. For those who watch my video, starting today is Tuesday, the 17th of August is 2021 year. All of us as Indonesian people, Indonesian nation, we are happy to celebrate the Independence Day of the Republic of Indonesia and the anniversary of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia, or the 76 anniversary of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. Previously, I spoke in this video to my personal opinion and my views. We all celebrate it happily and full of joy. All Indonesian people celebrate it from Sabang to Merauke. The fighters are heroes who dare to fight the invaders. All heroes are very brave to fight and oppose the invaders who at that time enslaved us and took our nature well. The warriors, namely all heroes, are very meritorious and their service are happy lads. As for the fighters against the invaders, which war, namely veterans, because these veterans are people who have contributed to our country and have contributed the most to our country. They fight not only for themselves, they fight for all and us too. Fighters such as veterans who are still alive today are defenders and defend and protect the nation until it finally becomes an independent and sovereign state. So the heroes who fought against the invaders struggled and shed blood on the field of war until finally their lives were at stake. From there we can enjoy independence by studying, working, worshipping, and so on. We enjoy the results, so more or less. Usually on this Independence Day there are competition, such as eating crackers, climbing Horeca nut, sack racing, putting something in a bottle, etc. I want to mention another one, but I forgot. It is known that humans do not escape from forgetting and being negligent or careless. Humans are the place to forget. Once again, all of us as Indonesian people, Indonesian nation, are happy, proud, and full of joy to celebrate the Independence Day of the Republic of Indonesia and the anniversary of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia, or the 76th year anniversary of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. I am Indonesian. I love Indonesian. I am proud to be Indonesian. I was born in Indonesia, small in Indonesia, big in Indonesia, until old age in Indonesia. Inshallah, if Allah permits and if there is no obstacle, I wish you a happy 76-year independence of the Republic of Indonesia. My Indonesia become a strong and great country, a country that loves peace, a country that is always united and respect differences. My prayer for me beloved country is Indonesia Raya. I believe Indonesia to be developed country and a prosperous country in terms of economy. There's something else I want to tell you all. While I still remember and don't forget, this is just what I know. Here is the story. Indonesia was colonized by the Dutch for 3.5 centuries. Yes, more or less 350 years. After that, Indonesia was colonized by Japan for 3.5 years. Yes, more or less 3.5 years. Or also 3 years plus half years. The Dutch colonized Indonesia longer than Japan, but they were both colonizers. As for forced labor in the Dutch colonial era, all the Dutch East Indies, it was called Rody work. Continued forced labor in the Japanese colonial era, or Nippon called Romusa work. The Dutch finished colonizing Indonesia, and then Japan colonized Indonesia, until finally Japan surrendered to the Allies because the United States of America was furious with Japan. Atomic bomb by the United States of America in 2 cities in Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. At that time, the Second World War was still going on. Independence Indonesia was supported and recognized for its independence by several countries such as India, Egypt, Palestine, and other countries, until finally independence and the end of the Second World War. This is a miracle and privilege. Indonesia's independence and the Second World War has ended, according to what I know. That's all I can say. Hopefully useful for all. This video is far from perfect, and there are still many shortcomings. Perfection belongs to Allah only. This advice is mainly for myself and especially for all. If there are wrong words, please open the door, sorry for me. So from my video I close and end with many say so and thank you. Finally and thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.